All right, gang, if you ride bikes, mountain bike, long distance road bikes, a couple things that you need in your kit are a way to pump up a tire and a way to repair a tire if you get a puncture, and that is where this little kit comes in. This is made by Pro Bike Tools. This is a simple canister that is a patch kit, all in one. A couple things that I love about this is it's a nice CNC milled aluminum design, so it's strong, it's lightweight, easy to throw in a bag, a pocket, attach it to your bike, attach it into a fanny pack or something like that. But inside of it, it opens up by unscrewing the end. You have your puncture repair tool, and then you have your patch fillers here. Now, the thing I love about this is some of these tools, man, this is all they give you. They give you this little thing that you're trying to use. Well, they have designed this to where this actually screws in back into the canister, making it a much larger, much thicker tool to handle, much like a screwdriver, which makes it a lot easier to use, a lot easier to handle. It's got two different gauges of patch included with it, so if it's a smaller puncture or a larger puncture, you are good to go. And this is just kind of one of those tools that you just need to throw in your bag and forget about it until you absolutely come in to needing it. So if you mountain bike often, if you're a long distance bike rider or someone in your family or friends is, check it out. It's a great gift to get them, made by Pro Bike Tool.